How to calculate the fraction of a whole number. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the fraction of a number. For this example, we will find out what 3/4 of 12 is. The number at the top of the fraction, in this case number 3, is called the numerator. The number at the bottom of the fraction, in this case number 4, is called the denominator. Step 1. First, we convert the whole number 12 into a fraction. We can do this by using 1 as the denominator. This becomes 12 over 1. Step 2. Put the fraction 3 over 4 on the left, and the new fraction 12 over 1 on the right. Step 3. Multiply the numerators and denominators of each fraction. 3 times 12 equals 36, 4 by 1 equals 4. This gives us a new fraction of 36 over 4. Step 4. 3/4 of 12 is 36 over 4, but this fraction can be simplified down. We need to find the greatest common factor of 36 and 4. In this case, that is the number 4. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4 to simplify the fraction. 36 divided by 4 equals 9, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. The final answer to the question, what is 3/4 of 12, is 9 over 1. We can remove 1 and just say that the answer is 9.